How to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once we're in the menu page, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down, navigate to the section of your activity. Under that, you're going to find the option of activity log. Open that option. Now, click on the option of your Facebook activity. Click on the option of post. You'll see the option of post hidden from profile. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find all the posts that are hidden from your profile. Now to unhide these posts from your Facebook timeline, click on the three dots at the right corner of each post, then click on Add to Profile. So this is how you can easily unhide posts from Facebook timeline. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.